Hi, everybody. It's Miss Stone with your learning adventure for today. We're going to write some more names. So I told you guys that I would do half of the names last week, another half this week. So I'm going to write the names of some of my friends today. And even if your name isn't on here, it'll help you learn how to write letters, because remember, letters are written with lines and curves. And we can do that. We can make lines and curves. So let's start writing some names. So the first name I'm going to write is my friend Jader. Okay. And Jader begins with a J sound. And the J is a curvy letter. It's a street that goes into a curve. So you would go down with a little whoop, tail like that. There's my J. And then we make a lowercase e, which is a half a circle and a line. We're going to make an I, which is a line with a little dot at the top. Then we're going to make a lowercase d. And the D is a circle with a line attached to it. That's an easy letter to write. We're going to make another E. So we're going to do our half circle and line. And then we're going to make an R, which is a line that goes down and then a little whoop, curve like that. And there's our friend's name, Jader. So now we're going to do Osmond's name. And Osmond begins with an O. So we're going to start, remember, all names begin with a capital letter. So we're going to make an O, which is just a circle. We can do that. Oh, easy, right? We're going to make an S, which is like a snake. So it's going to be curvy. So we just make a curvy little snake like that. And then we're going to make a V. Okay, the V goes down and then up. And then an I, which is a line that goes down with the dot again. Now we're going to make an N. So we make a line. And then we're going to make a little half circle, whoop, like that. See? All right, hold on. Let me get my eraser so we can write some more names. Let's see who else we're going to write. Let's write my friend Kishliani. She has a long name with a lot of letters in it. So this will be a fun one to write. So we're going to start with a K. And the K, if you guys remember, goes down. Then has a line that comes in and a line that comes out. The I is a line with a dot. We're going to make that curvy S again. So it looks like almost like a snake. And now we're going to make an H. So an H goes down with a little half circle. We're going to make an L, which is another easy letter to write because all it is just whoop, a line like that. Let's make an I again. So we make the line and the dot. We're going to write an A. And an A is another one. It's a circle with a line. So we're going to make a circle and a line. Okay, we're going to make an N. If you guys remember, the N is the line with the half circle. And then one more I, the line with the dot. Kishliani. Look at that. All those letters that we wrote. Let's write our friend Emily's name. So we're going to start that off with an E. And an E is all lines. So it goes down, and then a line at the top, a line at the middle, and a line at the bottom. Easy. We're going to make an M, which is two curves. So we go like that. We're going to do an I with the line going down and the dot. And there's another L that we're going to write. And if you remember, like with Kishliani's name, the L just goes straight down like that. And, excuse me, Emily's name finishes with a Y. So Y makes a little diagonal line and then another line like this. Emily. Okay, we have two more names to write. Okay, let's write our friend Allison's name. Allison begins with an A. So let's write that A. We go up, down, and then a line in the middle. Ow. There's that L again. We can make that letter. We can make a straight line like that. And she has an I in her name. We have a lot of friends with I's in their names today. So we're going to make a line with our little dot. Now, some Allisons have S's in their name, but my friend Allison has a Z. Ooh, that's a fun letter to write too. And that's all lines. So we make one line, make a line that goes down, and then we make another line like this. And there's our Z. It's a zigzaggy Z, just like the S is curvy, like a snake. So we're going to make an O. Remember, the O is just a circle. Whoop. And the last letter we're going to write for Allison is an N. So we're going to make our line and our half circle. Allison. And our last friend whose name we're going to write today is my friend Waden, who I know has been waiting for me to write his name. So Waden begins with a W. So we're going to go down, up, W. And we're going to make an A. So let's make that circle with a line. He also has a Y in his name. So we're going to make that line going down and the other line going this way. We're going to make a D, which is our circle and line. He has an E in his name, so we're going to make that half circle and a line. And the last one letter in his name is an N, just like in Allison. So line and a half circle. You know what? Let's do two more names. Let's do Miss Dawn's name. Dawn begins with a D. So D goes down. And we just make a little half circle like that. And we're going to make our A with our circle and line. And I have a W in my name. So we're going to go down, up, down, up. And then we're going to make a line with a half circle for our N. Let's do our friend Miss Charmian's name. Okay. So here's my name. I do hers. So her name begins with a C. And a C is just a half circle like that. It's a fun letter to write. She has an H in her name. So we make a line going down and a half circle. We're going to make an A, our circle and line. R, which is a line and a half circle. We're going to make our M. Remember, that's just two little half circles put together. So M. She has an I in her name, that line with the dot, and an O, which we know is just a circle. Whoop. Uh-oh. And our N. Oh, hopefully I can fit it in here. A line and my half circle. Miss Charmian. So I hope you guys enjoyed writing letters with Miss Dawn today. What letters can you guys write at home? I'm curious to see, and I want you guys to let me know. And I will see you next time for our next learning adventure. I love and I miss you guys very much. I want you to stay happy, healthy, and safe. Remember to wash your hands and wear your mask. I love you guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.